Hello guys, my name is Barry Allen and I'm back with new video. In the last video I covered present perfect tense. So if you haven't watched that video yet, click on I button and watch that video. In this video I'm gonna cover present perfect continuous tense. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So here it is my computer screen. As you can see, I have written here present perfect continuous tense. So I wanna let you know what actually present perfect continuous tense means. So in this tense, the action has been in continuation for certain time. Means we are working on action. We are working on action. The action is not finished yet, and we are indicating the time. At what time we started that work, and still the work is going on. For that sense, we use present perfect continuous tense. Okay. So it has a four type. First is affirmative, second is negative, third is interrogative, fourth is interrogative plus negative. And we will use the helping verbs here like we were using in present perfect tense in the last video I used. So same here, has been, have been according to your subject. Subject can be he, she, it. If your subject is he, she, it, any one of these, so you will use has. Or if your subject is I, we, you, they plural, then you will use have. Okay, so we will try to see how are we going to use it in a next step. So let's start with the first one, which is affirmative sentence. Okay, so before jumping into the example, I want to let you know the rule or the structure so that it will help you to make the more example, sorry, more sentence like I have made here, so you can also make. So yeah, the rule and the structure is here. Subject, as I said here, mentioned here, according to the subject, helping verb, as I mentioned again. And after that you will use been here. Do not forget to use been here, because if you don't use been here, it seems like you are making a present perfect tense. Okay, and after using been, there is the fourth form of the verb, which is verb plus ing. Okay, then object. Okay, try to understand with example. Here I have written some examples. So the first one is she has been reading for 2 hours. Okay, she is a singular, that's why I use has. After that, been, fourth form of the verb, reading, and the timing is for 2 hours. Okay, I have been working since morning. We have been walking for 2 hours. He has been written a letter for an hour. So here, as you can see there, I like the action is here and the timing is here. Action is here, timing is here. Action, timing. Okay. So let's go to the next example. It has been drizzling since Sunday. Action and timing. Okay. You have been putting me off for a month. Putting me off. The meaning of putting me off means ignoring. You are ignoring me. You can say you have been ignoring me for a month. But putting me off is a good one, so you can use it. The tap has been running for 2 hours. So it means that tap is on, water is coming from there. So for that sense you can say tap running. Okay, tap has been running for 2 hours. I am just indicating the timing at what time it started. Okay, so he has been reading this book for 1 hour. At what time he started reading the book? For 1 hour. Okay, so this is the way you can make affirmative sentence, and this is the structure. You can take a help of this structure and make more example, and you can make your English better. Okay, so let's go to the second one, negative sentence. Here the rule, let's see the rule first. Subject plus helping verb, and here you will use not because negative sentence, and then been, then fourth form of the verb ing form, then objective. So let's see the example. First example is here, I have not been talking for long time. So subject, helping verb, then not, then been, and then fourth form of the verb, and then object. I'm just mentioning the sorry, I'm sorry mentioning the timing. Okay, the timing. It's been not thundering since morning. It has not been thundering since morning. Okay, so I have not been living in this home for 2 years. I have not been living in this home for 2 years. Okay, so here the next one, they have not been bathing in river for 2 hours. Okay, we have not been finding him since morning. So we have a task, we have to find someone. So and still the work is going on, we haven't found him. So that's why we are saying that we have not been finding him since morning. Okay, he has not been investigating for 2 days. Means he has a work and still he is not working on that work, so he has not been investigating for 2 years. So yeah, so let's go to the third one, which is interrogative sentence. I hope you are understanding it. It is very easy. I tried to make you in a very easy way. So yeah, so let's go to the let's see the interrogative sentence, third one. So again, the rule is first or the structure. So the help, here you will use helping verb at the starting one time, helping verb according to subject, then you will use subject, then you will use been, then verb, ing means fourth form of the verb, then object. So let's see the example. Have you been playing since morning? Have you been playing since morning? So I'm just asking, confirming something. Have you been playing since morning? So I just noticed that he is playing. So I'm asking when he started. So it's like a timing. I want to know the timing. Okay. So he has been talking. He has been taking exercise for an hour. Sorry, has he been taking exercise for an hour? Okay. Has he been taking exercise for an hour? Okay. So here, has he been working here since 1990? Okay, so has she been working here since 1990? Okay, again I'm confirming. I know that, but I'm confirming. So actually I want to know the exact point, exact time. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Has child been crying for 2 hours? Child is crying, so I want to know the exact timing. Okay. So have you been watching this movie for 3 hours? Have you been watching this movie for 3 hours? Okay. Have you been going for, there since then? Since then, sorry. Have you been going there since then? Okay. So let's go to the fourth one, which is last one. So interrogative plus negative. Here the rule is first again. Helping verb you will use, subject you will use not, because it's interrogative negative sentence. After that you will use been, then you will use fourth form of the verb, then object. Okay, so how we will see the example, it's gonna be the more clear for you. So has it not been raining since yesterday? Has it not been raining since yesterday? So it means that we are like suppose that we are expecting, we predicting, but there is no rain, still there is no rain. So in that sense we are saying that has it not been raining since yesterday? Okay, so has Radha not been strolling in the veranda for 1 hour? So veranda means balcony, in the balcony you can say. So in the balcony for an hour. Okay, let's go to the next one. Have you not been doing your work since yesterday? Have you not been doing your work since yesterday? Okay, so has she not been sleeping for 2 hours? Has she not been sleeping? Means still she is awakened. She is not, she hasn't fallen asleep. So I'm asking how long it's been. So I'm trying to find out the timing. So that's why I just made this. So sorry, has she not been sleeping for 2 hours? Okay, so yeah, so this was the present perfect continuous tense. I tried to make it easy. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press bell icon so that you don't miss any update. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.